bombastic, criminal, offensive side eye.
This activity consists of our tutors creating shapes and objects, how these shapes move, what sounds they make, and it should be very, very interesting. I'm excited to see what they come up with. I'm excited to see the discussions that they're going to have, and I'm excited to see them really push the boundaries. Think pink, 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 pink. So now we have our tutors here, and they are going to be creating some objects. So your first object that you have to create is a motorbike.
She's on the base. The base. The wheel and the back thing. She's the driver. I'm the back wrist.
Oh, you're the flag.
No, she can be the side box. You know how they carry the food in there? Like, you know, and then people you in your box.
I'll be the handles.
Okay, you just sit down.
Okay, ready, go.
You have 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, everybody. Can you please describe to us, what are you in the motorbike?
I'm the side cart.
The side cart? Nice. Cool. What are you?
I'm the handles of the motorbike.
And what are you?
I'm the driver.
And what are you?
I'm the wheel and the seat.
Oh, that poor wheel and poor seat. And what are you?
I'm the backrest.
The backrest.
I mean, for the driver to.
Okay. Cool. Now, what sound does your motorbike make? Okay. Now, how does your motorbike move?
It's made in China.
No, I did.
This piece already moving to me. She's like, but she hasn't said moving.
How does it be down here?
Oh no. That is such a sad motorbike. And out. Your second object is to make an aeroplane.
I'm the tail. I'll be the tail.
I'm the wheel.
You're the body. Pilot.
Okay,
I'm the
yeah.
body, so I'm the
You're the body.
Yeah.
You're so body today.
20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Can you please explain to us what you are?
I'm the pilot of the plane.
Wow, right at the front of the plane?
Yeah.
Totally. What are you?
I'm the body of the plane.
Where's the rest of your body?
Yeah.
What are you?
I'm the right. Shh.
What are you?
I'm the right wing.
And what are you?
I'm the left wing.
Sorry, wing. And what are you?
I'm the tail.
The tail.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a Barbie doll plane.
We love this plane. Okay. What sound does your plane make? Okay. Now show me how your plane moves. Okay, so your plane only moves side to side. Can your plane move forward? No. Okay. What an amazing plane. Pink Airlines.
I can do it.
Object number 3. You are to make a house. You have 10 seconds to make your house.
What are you doing? The owner. Okay, when you open your door, can it not be too rough?
No, just the handle.
Yeah, don't with the sidewalls and
Open the
Don't
door.
forget, your house needs to make a sound.
is that drawing?
Yep, whatever.
Okay.
Yep. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Can you please explain to us what you are?
I'm the owner of the house.
Wow, what a beautiful house. And what are you?
I'm the pretty door.
Oh, I know that's right. What are you?
I'm the side wall and the roof.
The side wall and
I'm
the roof.
the side of the, the house, the side wall.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
totally.
I'm the other side and the other side of the roof.
The other side of the roof or the
Yeah,
wall?
both.
Oh, okay. And can you please explain to us what you are?
I'm just the back.
The back of?
The house.
Like, oh, okay, totally. Okay, now you are to show me and make the sound of what it means to open a door and walk into your house. Excuse you. Okay, are we ready? Yeah. Now. What's a very small house? Wow, she's washing her hands on the wall. Shout out to the Pink Mansion. Cool. Your last object is to make a speaker. Your speaker needs to move and your speaker needs to make sound. You also need a dancer. You have 1 minute.
Who's the dancer?
Okay, I'll be in the sound.
Yeah, you can just be like,
Put your fingers up for the bum. Okay.
30 seconds. Do not forget, your speaker needs to be able to move and your speaker needs to make sound. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Can you please explain to us what you are?
I'm the dancer.
I know that's right. And what are you?
I'm the buttons and the sound.
And what are you?
I'm the I'm the body.
And you?
I'm one of the bases.
I'm the holder of the speaker.
Okay, now remember your speaker needs to be able to move and it needs to be able to make music. In 3, 2, and 1.
Bombastic.
You can purchase the speaker for 50% off. The dancer comes free. At this time, we would just like to thank you all for tuning in and thank you all for your time. Shout out to our tutors. Shout out to our supporting staff. Also shout out to our camera crew. And shout out to Coco who and also a massive shout out and acknowledgement to our Pink Shirt Day organisers for driving and pushing this amazing kaupapa out. We fully endorse and support and just want to say a big ngamihi, make the mata and whakatei te lava for everything that you are doing and also everyone else out there that is also playing their part on this amazing Pink Shirt Day. Remember, you matter, you are important, you are seen, you are heard, and that you are loved.
Speak up, stand up, and say no to bullying. Kōrero mai, kōrero atu, Mauri tū.